Hello, welcome to NonCAD Keys YouTube channel. If you are tired of long training videos, you are in the right place. So, what's on the NonCAD Keys YouTube channel? Solidworks. (3D Experience CATIA). SolidWorks Simulation. SolidWorks Composer. SolidWorks Routing. SolidWorks Flow Simulation. SolidWorks Electrical. SolidWorks Motion. If more apps and content in the future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to NonCAD Keys YouTube channel, like and share our videos, and also comment.